Center for Vein Restoration is the nation's leading provider of the most advanced diagnosis and treatment for vein disease. Over 40 million Americans suffer from vein disease, yet many are unaware of the symptoms or mistakenly believe that the discomfort is a normal part of aging. It is not. Early signs of vein disease include leg pain and swelling, unsightly bulging varicose veins, aching, itching, fatigue, throbbing, and feelings of lower limb heaviness. Advanced vein disease can lead to skin changes, including flaking, scaling, discoloration, and wounds that won't heal. Over 100 locations nationwide, CVR, as we're known to our grateful patients and referring physicians, offers minimally invasive treatment options that have our patients in, out, and back to their normal activities immediately with few restrictions. Treatment is covered by most insurance carriers, including Medicare and Medicaid. Scheduling is easy. Call 1-800-FIX-LEGS or schedule online by visiting centerforvein.com.